Welcome to Level Up Your Cooking with Ra. This channel is all about leveling up your cooking. Let's get into it with the recipe. So first things first, I'm going to get started with my mise en place. Mise en place means to put in place all of your ingredients. Very, very important, which I'm going to get started with these beautiful tomatoes, which I am just going to cut right down the middle. I love using cherry tomatoes because they are literally the perfect bite-sized bite for any pasta salad recipe. Now, again, the goal is to make sure that everything is as bite-sized as possible. And this may not work for you, and that's okay. You do what works for you. But for me and my household, everything needs to be bite-sized when it comes to this pasta salad. And what I mean by bite-size, it literally means to be similar in size. That's all. So this is a prime example of not sharpening your knives. Like, literally, I should know better. And I totally get it that life gets busy. But prep gets easy when those knives are nice and sharp. The rest of my ingredients are as follows. Now, this recipe will be pork approved as well, so please follow at your discretion. Let's get into it. In a pot of boiling hot water, I'm going to add in a generous amount of salt. It needs to be tasting exactly like the ocean. I'm adding in my pasta, and I'm going to cook that until al dente by following the instructions on the back of the box. Once my pasta is al dente, I'm going to drain it and fully submerge it into a ice water bath. This ensures that it immediately stops the cooking process. Now it is time to add in all of my ingredients.
My car keys are jingling in my hands. My high heels are clicking towards your door. Is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one thing that got me tripping? It did. This one thing you saw me feeling. Is this one thing you did? Is this one thing that caught me slipping? Is this one thing I want to admit? This one thing and I was so with it. Is this one thing you did? Is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one thing that got me tripping? It did. This one thing you saw me feeling. Is this one thing you did? Is this one thing that caught me slipping? Is this one thing I want to admit? This one thing and I was so with it. Is this one thing you did? Is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one thing that got me tripping?
And of course, this wouldn't be pasta salad without McCormick's Perfect Pinch Salad Supreme Seasoning.
Caught me slipping. Is this one thing I want to admit? This one thing and I was so with it.
You ain't never had pasta salad like this before. Oh, I bet you haven't. I bet you haven't. I said, I bet you haven't. I bet you haven't. Oh yeah, I bet you. I bet you. Oh, I said, I bet you.
And just like that, you have a beautiful masterpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And can I tell you that once you allow this pasta to sit in the fridge for like a day or two, boy, are those flavors robust. Like, literally, this is the pasta salad that you're going to want to make for the cookout this summer. If you enjoyed watching the video, give it a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. And of course, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Listen, if you are not subscribed by now, what are we doing? No, what are you doing? Especially if you enjoy watching content like this.